Hi guys, welcome to Bowline Knot Challenge, where we level up your skill set from beginner to advanced. Whether you are into climbing, sailing or camping, or just want to be ready for emergencies, the Bowline Knot is a must-have in your skill set. Let's go.
Before we begin, there are two important parts to know. The working end is the end of the rope you move around and do all the tying with. It is the part that works actively. The standing end is the part of the rope that doesn't move much. For example, if I make a loop like this, the working end is on top of the standing end. To tie a bowline, make a small loop. This is our rabbit hole. Make sure the working end is on top of the standing end. Imagine the rabbit, the working end, pops up through the hole. The rabbit sees a tree, the standing end, so the rabbit runs around the tree. Then the rabbit goes back to the same rabbit hole. There you go, a bowline knot. For left-handed, basically it's the same thing. Make a small loop. But wait, is the working end on top of the standing end? No. So just let's turn it around. Then repeat the same process. Make a loop, working end on top. The rabbit pops up through the hole, runs around the tree, and back to the hole. By the way, I made a fun bowline knot song using AI. Hope it helps you learn how to tie it.
Make a loop, working end on top. The rabbit jumps up, it won't stop. Around the tree it goes so fast, then back down the hole at last. Pull it tight, your bowline knot is tied and won't. Make a loop, working end on top. The rabbit jumps up.
Hope you like the song, and let's take on level 1, the close eye challenge. Tie a bowline knot with your eyes closed to build muscle memory. Challenge yourself and tie it with your non-dominant hand. Now let's tie a bowline around an object. Make a loop at the standing part. Make sure the loop is facing inward. Again, make sure the working end is on top. The rabbit pops up through the hole, sees the tree, runs around the tree, and goes back to the same hole. Or you can make a snap bowline, another quicker way to tie. Make a loop at the standing part. Flip the loop towards the standing ends or yourself. Pop the middle loop up. Pass the working end through the loop. Then pull and snap. For the left-handed, same rules apply. Make sure the working end is on top and the loop is facing inward. The rabbit pops up through the hole, sees the tree, runs around the tree, and goes back to the same hole. Snap bowline for left-handed. Make a loop at the standing part. Flip the loop towards the standing ends. Pop the middle loop up. Pass the working end through the loop. Then pull and snap. Practice the normal bowline and snap bowline on different objects. It helps build muscle memory too.
Welcome to the level 3. Now we are going to take the bowline knot to the next level by tying it around your waist. This is super useful for self-rescue situation. Let's go.
First, wrap the rope around your waist. Over under, around, over, through. There you go, a bowline knot. To make the bowline even more secure, we make a Scott lock bowline. Okay, let's make another one for left-handed user. Over, under, around, over, through, likewise, to make the bowline even more secure, we make a Scott lock bowline. Alright, that's level 3 complete. In level 4, we will take it up a notch and learn how to tie the bowline around someone else's waist for rescue. Let's keep leveling up. Like usual, working end on top. Make a overhand knot. Then take the standing end, bring it under, create a loop. Your rabbit already come out of the hole, so it's go around the tree, back down to the hole. Then we make a Scott lock bowline for a final rescue. Make sure there's a fist distance away from the chest. Now for the left-handed user. Again, working end on top, make an overhand knot, take the standing end, bring it under, create a loop. Your rabbit already come out of the hole, so it's go around the tree, back down to the hole. Then we make a Scott lock bowline for final rescue. Please note that this is only suitable for victims who are still conscious and able to hold the rope themselves. Make sure there's a fist distance away from the chest.
Hi guys, welcome to level 5. Now things are getting serious. You are going to tie a bowline around your waist, but this time using one hand only, because one of your hand is injured. Let's go.
First, wrap the rope around your waist, then bring your working end over, under, around, over, through, then end it with a Scott lock bowline. Same goes for the left-handed. Over, under, around, over, through, then end it with a Scott lock bowline. What if the rope is too long and you are in a tight space? It is a bit difficult to make a bowline. Here is what you can do. Just step on the rope to make the standing end have a bit of tension. Again, over, under, around, over, through, then end it with a Scott lock bowline. Tying a bowline with one hand takes patience, but once you nail it, you are ready for almost any scenario.
Hi guys, congratulations on making it to the final level. Now it's time for the final boss challenge. Let's go.
In this last level, we are taking on the flying bowline, also known as the Moana knot. It is a flashy, quick draw knot that you can throw and tie in one smooth motion, just like in the movie Moana. This is what it looks like when you are done. The shape is not a normal bowline. We call it a tugboat bowline. Now I will do it slowly for you. Hold the rope like this, like a big M McDonald arch. First, twist the standing end to make a loop. Then my throwing hands swing the loop down, around and over. If you do it correctly, you form a pair of elephant ears and an elephant trunk. Pass the throwing hand through the standing hand, then pull the standing end, and that is your flying bowline. The flying bowline is designed for quick rescues. If someone falls into a river, you can throw this knot to them in just a few seconds.
Okay guys, that's all for today's. How fast can you tie the bowline? Can you complete all the challenges? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome. Ciao.
Make a loop, work an end on top. The rabbit jumps up, it won't stop. Around the tree it goes so fast, then back down the hole at last. Pull it tight, your bowline knot is tight and warm. Won't make a loop, work an end on top. The rabbit jumps up, it won't stop. Around the tree it goes so fast, then back down the hole at last. Pull it tight, your bowline knot is tight and warm. Make a loop, work an end on top. The rabbit jumps up, it won't stop. Round the tree it goes so fast, then back down the hole at last. Pull it tight, your bowline knot is tight and warm. Make a loop, work an end on top. The rabbit jumps up, it won't stop. Round the tree it goes so fast, then back down the hole at last. Pull it tight, your bowline knot